there's anything Jordan Peterson has his brand built on, it's being mindful of other people's feelings.
I'm going to start my own marketplace of ideas. Cocaine and demand to meet my supply.
Wrong way!
Yeah, if you ever doubted the nuclear level hypocrisy that
How did I know that was going to happen?
As a Jewish student, I struggled with the case and the decision of the lawyer to take the case for a long time. Over the years, however, observing political tides shift in our culture over decades since school, I have come to the conclusion that the ACLU lawyer was 100% correct in his commitment to represent.
We're going to wipe out trans people by taking away the health care. We're not going to murder them. We're not going to do what other punishments.
Nice parking.
We're not going to steal from them. But what we are going to do is take away the health
You have a whole lane dedicated to charter buses, and you're sticking out into the street.
I could explain why it's bad.
That makes sense. Oh my God. Those white stripes are there for a reason. That's dumb. Okay, just go through the red light. Let's do that. Didn't even look. Why aren't we going? What the fuck? Nope, there was no reason. Literally no reason. Nobody randomly crossing the street.
Here comes the gun.
Here it comes.
That's Idaho's current Lieutenant Governor, Janice McEachin. She was brandishing a gun in that video in order to keep her Bible warm and in order to pressure the governor, her boss, that he should undo COVID rules back in 2020. One time when Governor Little left the state, McEachin actually took it upon herself to announce that she had seized the powers of the governorship and proclaimed the state's mask and vaccine rules to be hereby null and void because the governor was out of town. Earlier this year, Ms. McEachin participated in a white supremacist conference at which attendees cheered on Vladimir Putin for invading Ukraine.
Very stupid driving.
She's also, as you probably guessed by now.
Oh my God. You really can't pull in all the way. Of course. Of course. Wow.
And I think it should affect you in that way, because I think it's a dire
time,
and people are being oppressed. You know, half the time.
The way he pulled in makes me wish your dad pulled out.
Visited the church on several occasions, including nights when the crowds claimed to have seen the ghost.
Hello there.
What she saw was a few intermittent
Where's your bike light?
And sometime later, she saw an ambiguous shape of some sort
Barely see
shining
you.
through some palm trees.
No, and I'm just making up what's more and what's not. To the same level. Why should I listen to yours? I can justify why I.
Oh my god. Very good. Very good. You're so good at driving.
Important and meaningful interventions a person can receive. A lot of the people who work in these fields are religious too, but you absolutely cannot make a movie telling those people to proselytize. It's genuinely the most dangerous, evil, and psychologically destructive time to do it. Okay? You get it?
Very smart. Now you're light. Not gonna hit you, but I'll give you a scare. Oh my god. Come on.
We are not, you know, the judge could say,
There's room.
They have not offered it for the truth value contained therein.
There's room.
I could tell you as trial.
You'll be fine. Oh, you need to drive like all the way down the middle to make it okay. Nice turn signal. You don't have any license plate? Nope, no license plate at all.
Our universe is doomed! Doomed!
Turn signal. Oh my god. Somebody explain this. Explain this, please. Why?
1 hour later.
Yep.
3 hours later.
Is this you? You see those parking spots up there? Why don't you use those? Thanks for blocking traffic. Parking spaces! Look! It's so difficult. It's impossible to find parking in the city. I'm not. I've only lived here just over 4 years. I'm from Indiana originally.
Oh, cool. I'm from Michigan.
Nice.
Midwest.
Well, the person behind us just ran a red light. Glad I have a rear-facing camera too. Cut me off.
Be clear about controls the results of Supreme Court. So, in their head, God's been pro-choice for the last 49 years.
Last week in Western Michigan. Sources told the NBC affiliate there that the town hall in one of the communities they covered had been raided by law enforcement. If you're a reporter, you hear that the town hall is being raided. Maybe your mind goes to corruption or graft or some kind of small-town embezzlement scheme. These things happen at all levels of government. But that wasn't what this
Like
was.
everybody's okay?
This was something weird.
This must have just happened.
I don't get the whole idea of Christianity being funded.
And this also seems to be underpinned
You don't have brake
with
lights?
the notion that everybody who is a Muslim is a certain kind of way, and that's also not necessarily. It's end loaded with some assumptions of Muslims in general, and it seems to be an argument that those people should be more like Christians because I want to fight some Muslims, and that's the best weapon that I can think of.
I don't think your brake lights are working. Neither one of, like, your foot's on the brake right now, right? Yeah, neither one of them are lit. Yeah. Whoa, that was a slip.
And it's sickening. It's sickening that it went down the way it did, right? Filling Scalia's seat waiting, unfortunately waiting. That's sickening that went down.
What are you doing?
It's sickening how they build Ruth Bader Ginsburg's seat like that for 2 months. For 2 months, and how, I mean, like, genuinely laughing about how little fucking
Hello.
because they had.
I like turtles.
How we all doing?
Doing great. How are you?
Doing good. Bike lane right there.
You will see that even for an activist report, 2 out of the 3 arguments that this court makes are just saying that the law says X when the law says not X.
At his death, the Red Baron had shot down more than 80 planes before being killed in combat.
Wow.
The war ended in November of that same year.
All right, Tom, if you had to summarize what you learned in 1 sentence, what would it be?
The moment we invent something awesome, we pretty much immediately figure out how we can use it to kill each other.
Yeah, we do. All right, are you ready for the quiz?
So awesome.
If not, I guess I'm shaking my fist at the sky all this time for nothing.
You're so cool.
What's the best nickname for your sky rifle?
Do burnout.
A. Launch pad adversary.
It's your turn. Everyone's trying to be too nice today. Yeah, I was going to turn left there. Bike. That's why you check. Oh boy. Are you kidding me? Let's just block the road. Very good. And they went right back. Fucking genius. Can you move, please? What are you doing here?
I want ice cream.
All right. What flavor do you want?
I like that one.
What?
Blue, please.
Blue what?
I want blue.
What?
I want purple hair. I want raspberry.
It's amazing how two sides of traffic can't get through here, because people park on this side when they obviously can't. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah. 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 Thanks for blocking traffic. Flip me off. I'm just trying to go down the street like I am completely entitled to do. Just like everyone else in the public.